Looks like the birds got all the plums. Here are plums. Birds are squawking, you can hear it right now. A few survived, but birds got most of them. Sunchokes not doing anything, really. I think I turned the water up. Water, when I left, it had too much water because it was, how it was, the way the temperature is. Now I don't have enough because it's been 100 degrees for 2 weeks. The last 2 weeks it's been over 100 degrees every day. Look at this, Claire. This thing wasn't even, it was nothing when we left. There wasn't a single thing here. Look, you see that, Claire? Pumpkin? The other pumpkin died. It's crazy. Unbelievable. Totally gone. This one died. I wonder why. Well, I think it's because it's dry. And ground cherries. There's a few of those. Look at that. First time I planted these. Oh, fell down. Where'd it go? Right here. Try our first ground cherry. Wow. Unbelievable. Look at this. There was not even a blossom. And look at this. Wow. Look at it. Don't pick it, leave it. This is for winter. This is gonna be a winter one. Maybe. Because it's hard. We can't eat them right now. And look at all these Armenians. They went to seed, and they stopped. Wow. I gotta tie this up. It's so heavy. First time we got one that big. And I got some other stuff for us to try. Some new stuff. I think all of the I don't see any snake gourds that survived. Unbelievable. Look at this, Khalil. Here's my sponge. Look, there should be a sponge near, I hope. And I'm not picking it yet. Leave it out. I'll pick it later. But I just want to show you. Look at the Malabar spinach took off. And notice. Yeah, we gotta pick the basil.
So, be careful. Don't drop.
There's 6 different varieties right here.
So,
Oh, look at those beans. They all dried up. A lot of sweet potatoes look pretty good. Yeah. It's another 6 weeks. Amazing anything. Survived. Unbelievable. Look at this. Can't wait to try these ground cherries. Yeah, they want to continue and finish off everything. They destroyed it. It's the first year they didn't get any plums. Oh look, there's it's an Indian creek. A lot of this stuff needed to be picked about 3 or 4 weeks ago. Cucumbers, because if you don't pick them, they go to seed and then they don't grow anymore. These figs survived the ants didn't, Alright, well that's it for now. Thankful to get something. The papaya is kind of dry, but it survived. Figs, they ate the figs. A few black figs, but they ate the ripe ones. We're gonna try these though. First time we ever had these ground cherries. We're gonna try these. And walk around, showing the garden after 6 weeks. This is ready to pick for seeds. Most of the stuff We're just doing one cucumber because we didn't pick them. I'm really sad about that because that means that we're not gonna do any more cucumbers. They're finished. All that work and whatever. Here's the beans. Everything's going to seed. 6 weeks is a long time for garden. These were those green ones. I didn't get a single. I'm trying to jade this year. I mean, people don't realize how dependent this garden is on until you're not here. Wintertime, it can survive pretty good. In the summertime, not so easy. Especially went from cold to super hot. And this stuff's so dry, I gotta water this stuff. Totally dried out. Thank God the pomegranates. It's one thing you don't have to really do too much to. I mean, you gotta watch them, but not like some of this other stuff. It takes a lot more work, a lot more maintenance. Pomegranates looking pretty good. It's a very, very slim year for pomegranates. I got no plums. Pomegranates, there's a few pomegranates. And I lost most of my figs. This tree looks much better though. This tree has quite a few. Oh, here's from my tree. I grew this tree from an air layer. This makes me sick with all this stuff on the ground. Birds destroyed. Ate all the plums totally. The tree's totally cleaned out. Usually, it's not even July. Usually, it's because it ain't covered. That's what happens. See, they ate them even though they weren't even ripe. They were so desperate to eat something, birds. And the rest of the figs left are the ones that don't ripen. They're the second crop. Sometimes you get some in the fall. These my soursop survived. I've been trying to get this one going for a long time. I mean, it almost died. It almost froze. So it's looking okay. And this is doing alright. Break the dead limbs off. But it's not, there's no flowers. It needs more water. Look how dry it is. I mean, it went from being in the 80s to over 100 degrees for the next 2 weeks. We were going 6 weeks total. And I don't have any snake gourd. Looks like none of the plants survived. Oh, maybe, yeah, here we go. Hopefully they can do something in the fall. I like the smell of the leaves. Here's a few flowers. It's just a lot of stuff's just dried out. It was not good enough water because I didn't want to flood it. But I didn't anticipate that it'd be over 100 degrees so soon. Like today's supposed to be up there. Look at that. Cardinal